All right, can you make 1/2? Where is 1/2 at on that number line? Okay, now I want you to pick a different color. Okay, now pretend that line for 1/2, pretend it's not there. I don't want you to erase it, but pretend it's not there. And now I want you to divide that number line into 4.
Damn.
Okay, so what would that first green line be? What fraction?
1/2. 1/4.
Okay, because there's 4 pieces and you're at the first line. So go ahead and write 1/4 underneath that first 4. All right, where would 2/4 be? Nice job. How'd you know that 2/4 was right there, even though there was no green mark?
I don't know.
Well, you're right.
Second one.
Because what?
It was the second one.
You're right. If you have it divided into 4 parts, which you do, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, then 2/4 would be right where 1/2 is, right? Because that means that 1/2 and 2/4 are what?
I don't know.
1/2, if you look at your number line, you have 1/2 and 2/4 in the same spot. That means that both of those fractions are what?
Equal.
Exactly, they're both equal because they're both the same. And what other 2 fractions are equal on your number line?
4/4.
4/4 and what?
1/2.
1/2, right? If you have all 4 pieces of 4, you have the whole, right? And so those are the same as well. Let's do one more dividing, okay? Get a different color. And now divide that number line into 8. Excellent.
Damn.
Wow, that's a very nice job. Now I know it's tight, so I'm going to ask you a couple questions, okay? Can you tell me some fractions that are the same on that number line.
Eight.
Say it again for me.
8/8.
8/8 is the same as what?
1 whole.
Which is the same as what?
4/4.
Exactly. Awesome. Tell me some more fractions that are equivalent or the same.
Hey, Sandra. John, do you want me to take attendance?
4/4.
You can go ahead and get started.
Okay, you already told me about 4/4, 1 whole, and 8/8. Can you tell me some other fractions that are the same or equivalent?
1/8.
Okay, what fraction is the same as 1/8?
1 whole.
1/8 and 1 whole are the same?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm looking at your number line and I see that 1/8 is almost all the way by the 1/4. And I see 1 whole is all the way where you have the whole number line. Are they the same? Show me, use the rectangle. Use the rectangle and show me 1/8 on the rectangle. Just put it right above your number line. Yeah, uh-huh.
Down.
Uh-huh. And show me where 1/8 is on that.
Down. And the first one.
Yeah, so would that be the same as 1 whole?
No.
Yeah, color in 1/8. Just use the, yeah, there you go. That's 1/8. Now color in 1 whole. Is that the same?
No.
No. Okay. So you can get rid of that if you want, or you can leave it. But can you tell me some other fractions that are the same or equivalent on your number line?
I don't know.
So what do you notice? Let's go back to the one you did know. Okay, let's look at 1 whole, 8/8, and 4/4. They're all in the same spot on your number line, right? They're all at that same mark that you drew. Are there any other fractions that are at the same mark or at the same part?
No. No.
No, I do. I see a few fractions that are at the same line or the same part.
1/4 and 2. And then 2/8.
Yeah, exactly. 1/4 and 2/8. Those are the same. They're equivalent. They're at the same part on the number line. Tell me one more pair of fractions that are at the same part of the number line.
7/8 and 3/4.
Yeah, I'm looking at your number line and I don't think 7/8 is at the same part as 3/4, but I do think that there's another fraction that is the same as 3/4.
5/8.
Now, you know what? Get a different color pencil. Okay, we're gonna count oops, what happened? There we go. We're going to count by eighths. So take your pencil, make a dot at the 0 on the line. So on your number line, that's 0/8. Now, where's 1/8? Make a dot. 1/8, 2/8. You count 3/8. You count it. Oh, you're going too fast for me. Can you go ahead and count by eighths? And when you get to that last green, we have to think about which eighths those are. Go ahead and count by eighths, starting at the beginning of your number line.
I don't know how to count.
Well, you wrote them. You wrote them underneath, right? You have 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. So at the top, just count out loud. Don't write them, but just say them.
1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8.
And when you got to that green 3/4, which eighths did you say?
2/8.
2/8? Not at the first fourth. I'm talking about the last green mark you have that says 3/4. What eighths did you say when you got there?
6/8.
Exactly. So that means that 3/4 and 6/8 are what?
The same.
They're the same. They're equivalent. Nice job. That was one of the hardest things you've done so far, and you did a great job with that.